Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. Wamp server is downloaded and we will just install the Wamp server. So here you can see that we can go to the Wamp server section software and just double click on this Wamp server download exe file. So we will just double click and let's see how we will install the Wamp server. Okay, at this step we will just choose our desired language and click on OK, accept the agreement, click on next, and specify the path. We will just select the default path and click here, and here you can see that PHP versions are selected already. So we will not play with these things. We will just go further with the default settings and let's click on next and install again, and it will take some time to install the software and then we'll resume the video. At this step we will just click on yes and then again click on open. Okay, and then again yes, don't use no, just click on yes and open thing. Okay, at this step we will just click on next again and everything is installed. Click on finish, and now we will test that whether Wamp server is working or not. Okay, so it is very important. Sometime Wamp server will not work for some reasons. Then you can install the files, or you can install the Wamp server as well. So with Wamp server you will not face any issue. Anyhow, Wamp server is installed, so let's right click and let's click on open run with administrator. Yes, and let's see that it's working or not right away. So first time it will take a little time to start out the services and other things, and now you can see service started ready. And that's great. Wamp service is running well. Because why I know that? Because here you can see a new icon here for the Wamp server, and this icon is green. If this icon is become red or if it is orange, then your Wamp server is not installed properly. So in our case, Wamp server is installed properly, and we will check that how that it is working or not. So simply go to the browser and let's write here localhost and enter, and great, you can see a page here and our Wamp server is running well. So I think that's it for this video. In next video we'll move further and we'll install the WordPress.